In the interest of safety, it is always advisable to carry a fire extinguisher in your car because you never know when you might need it. Keeping the best fire extinguisher in your car will raise the chance of putting out any fire, large or small, possibly saving yourself, your family, and your passengers. You can also reduce the level of damage to your vehicle. Also, car fire extinguishers have the same capacity as regular models, but they are more compact, leaving much needed storage space in your car. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The H3R Performance HG100C creates no thermal shock to electronics, and there is no mess or damage to your vehicle or surfaces. It combines the clean properties of Halgard and a high-gloss chrome finish that makes this fire extinguisher a show car favorite. Also, it has 6 feet to 8 feet discharge range and is made from high-quality steel cylinders that feature all-metal valve construction. Besides, it features high-quality steel cylinders with all-metal valve construction and is available in chrome or red-painted finishes. Moreover, the liquefied gas extinguishes those hard-to-reach fires that are common in many applications. The FireGone 2NBF G2074 is a fire suppressant packaged in a compact and cleverly designed aerosol can. It delivers a stable, targeted stream that goes right to the source of the fire, coating it with specially formulated firefighting foam. Due to the AccuSol trigger, you get a jet action spray that accurately hits the target from a distance of 10 inch to 12 inch. It will provide an efficient flow of chemicals to reduce the flames and prevent spread to other areas. On the other hand, it's versatile enough for several different fire types. This natural pull-and-shoot container provides a quick way to respond to a variety of situations. Moreover, it offers a controlled stream of retardant to extinguish most flames before they become a more significant problem effectively. The Bracketeer provides a quick and secure solution to mount a fire extinguisher in most modern and classic passenger cars and commercial vehicles. It simply drops down onto the front or rear of the seat rails on the driver or passenger seat of most modern vehicles, and is secured firmly using grub screws. Also, it comes with a traditional bolt-on seat frame design, and the clamping loops are merely inverted and secured through holes onto the factory mounting bolts. Besides, it is constructed from high-strength A572 high-grade 50 steel with a durable finish and supplied with stainless steel bolts and Allen keys. On the other hand, it offers easy installation in around 15 minutes without drilling holes that places the extinguisher out of the way, but within easy reach. In at first place among the list of best car extinguishers we have, First Alert 1038789. It features durable all-metal construction with a commercial-grade metal valve and trigger. Also, it uses monoammonium phosphate extinguishing agent, rechargeable by certified professionals after use. It also includes a mounting bracket to keep the unit secure and always in reach. Besides, the durable metal head is designed to meet demanding household requirements. On the other hand, it has a metal pull pin with the safety seal to deter accidental discharge. Another advantage is that this multi-purpose fire extinguisher fights wood, paper, trash, plastics, gasoline, oil, and electrical equipment fires. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe to our channel to let us know your support. Use the comment section to give us valuable feedback on how to improve these products and hit the bell icon for notifications.